Inkspot allows scientists to collaborate and publish the results of their work. It's a fully hosted web-based system that can be accessed anywhere you can access a browser. When you first visit Inkspot, all you can see is the information that other people have specifically made public. You can read blogs and notebooks that others have made public, and comments can be added by you or anybody else. However, to make full use of Inkspot, you have to log on with your personal account details. We're now going to log on as Sally, who's interested in analysing data from the food manufacturing facility where she works. Now that Sally has entered Inkspot, the news page has been updated to show activity that's happened recently within her circle of collaborators. Also, note that the full functionality of Inkspot is now available for her to use. To show how a scientist might use the system, Sally is going to upload some data that contains properties of breakfast cereal that she wants to model. The data browser shows all the files that Sally has stored within Inkspot. It also contains files and information that other people have chosen to share with her. To analyse a new set of data, Sally must first upload it to her data browser. She can also share this data with her collaborators by setting the access control permissions. She can choose to make data completely public, in which case anybody can see it, or to restrict access to specific collaborators or groups. Sally can now keep track of who has accessed her data by using the Get Info option. This shows the complete history of every piece of data within Inkspot. Now that we have uploaded the data, it's time to analyse it. In this case, Sally wants to compare a number of different modelling tools using a workflow. This is quite a complex workflow that somebody else in her research group has already created. All Sally wants to do, however, is run her newly uploaded set of data through it and write up the results in her blog. To do this, Sally configures the workflow to use her new data. All that needs to be done now is to execute the workflow and wait a few moments for the results. Now that the workflow has finished, Sally can look at these results. In this case, she's interested in the comparison plot. This displays the predictions of all the modelling algorithms on a single graph. Now that Sally is happy with her results, she can write them up in her blog that she's already shared with her collaborators. She might also choose to make these results public so that other people can read and comment on her work. All of her collaborators will see Sally's updated work appear in their news page when they next log on to Inkspot.